here. Diana Shipping, DCIX, big volume bump here. 125,000, 5,000 average on a 1 minute basis. So that's someone positioning. Plug, PLUG, trying to carry over the momentum from yesterday. We're going to have to adjust this RHE price to right around 170 if we're going to want to get in. We're going to need a pretty decent pullback in AXXM. Quebec Echo Papa, QEP, that's also a name to look at. Tim, where's the 7 simple moving average at? If you look at the 7 simple moving average, you're adding 5 cents on top of that. You should have it on your trading platform.
You gotta be careful with this one because...
All right, RHE starting to pull back here.